Hello YouTube, reduces wrinkles, improves heart health, and reduces cancer risk. Benefits of watercress. Watercress can be found on the shelf of any supermarket all year round. Usually we prefer spinach or arugula to it, but, according to nutritionists, this is not always justified. Watercress is often unfairly neglected. And for good reason. These leafy greens taste great and can be added to salads, soups, and sandwiches. Plus, watercress can help reduce wrinkles, lower your risk of cancer, and keep your heart in good health. Like almost all greens, watercress is very low in calories. It has a spicy, arugula-like flavor that pairs well with vegetables and makes a great addition to egg toast, for example. Watercress for heart health. Eating more watercress can do wonders for your heart health. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables prevents plaque formation in the arteries thanks to bioactive phytochemicals. Watercress for cancer prevention. Watercress reduces the risk of cancer, according to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The researchers found that increased levels of carotenoids, including lutein and beta-carotene, after drinking watercress protected cells from damage to lymphocyte DNA. They concluded that frequent consumption of this green vegetable may reduce the chance of developing cancer over time. Watercress for skin beauty. Your skin will get a boost of energy from eating watercress. One study found that 10 out of 11 women, ages 23 to 58, noticed an improvement in the appearance of their skin after 4 weeks of adding 80 grams of watercress to their daily diet. The authors of the study note the high content of vitamin C and E in vegetables, which are necessary for the production of collagen, which makes the skin supple and smooth. A serving of salad daily can prevent wrinkles. Glowing skin, a healthy heart, and a reduced risk of cancer are undeniably good reasons to add watercress to your cart on your next trip to the supermarket. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.